Welcome to Singapore Junior Physics Olympiad 2012 General Round Question 21. An object falls freely through air. What is the ratio of distance fallen in the first second to the distance fallen in the second second to the distance fallen in the third second? You may neglect air resistance. The options are A. 1 to 2 to 3, B. 1 to 4 to 9, C. 1 to 3 to 5, D. 1 to square root of 2 to square root of 3, or E. 1 to square root of 2 minus 1 to square root of 3 minus 1. Now to begin solving this question, we start with one of the kinematics equation of motion, where the vertical distance travelled h is equals to the initial velocity minus half gt squared. Now we know that the initial velocity for this question is equals to 0. And since we are only interested in the distance travelled and not the direction, we'll just ignore the negative signs. So we'll work with this equation h equals to half gt squared instead. So suppose the ball is to begin its motion here. So in the first second, it's going to travel a distance of g over 2. Now, after another second, as according to this equation, the total distance travelled will be 4g over 2. And after the third second, the total distance will travel 9g over 2 again, as can infer from this equation. As for the distance travelled between each seconds though, so you can see that between these two balls, the distance is equivalent to g over 2. Between the second stop and the third stop, the distance is 3g over 2. And between the third stop and the fourth stop, the distance is 5g over 2. Therefore, from this we can infer that the ratio is actually 1 to 3 to 5. So the answer to this question is C, 1 to 3 to 5.